I'm having too much fun now. We're going turbo. Are you ready for the Play-Doh surprises?
3, 2, 1.
Here's red. It's Minnie Mouse. Give the video a thumbs up if you like Disney movies. Blue. It's Shredder from Ninja Turtles. Who's your favourite TMNT character? Comment below. Let's try yellow. It's Chimchar from Pokemon. Pink time. That's Ribbon Wishes from My Little Pony. Purple's in the middle. It's Cringe Chili from Trash Pack. Lucky Orange. That's Ferris from Moshi Monsters. I'm having too much fun now. And that was Turbo. Hope you enjoyed watching. Click subscribe. Quickly.